God every day that somebody is born so beautiful that the burden of the world is up on his shoulders, okay? This is a song about being such a man. This is a song called Born Beautiful, and I know you know how it goes. This song is another one. It's about the ultimate male. I want to see you stomp your feet and shake your backside. Make thunder and sound. I've been good looking since the day I was born. Yes, I was born beautiful. My daddy said I had a future in porn. Yes, I was born beautiful. People, I was born beautiful. I got the power in my soul. Got jet black hair and love to spare. You know I like my steaks cooked. Living in a fantasy is what it takes. Like the first bill says, yeah, peace in the place. How could it be? I get away with it all. Yeah, don't you know me, baby? I was born beautiful. Hot damn, baby, I was born sophisticated ladies, crazy all night in the back of my Mercedes. Come on, little Tonic, come and dance with me. I was born beautiful, as if you couldn't see. Hot damn, baby, I was Let me feel the spirit.